Welcome back. Today in my class, I will solve problems on parabola. First, we will do anatomy problems. That is, you will be given an equation of a parabola, and you have to dissect it. You have to find different parts of the parabola. Suppose we have the equation y square plus 4x plus 2y minus 11 equals 0. Y square plus 4x plus 2y minus 11 equals 0. And you are asked to find its different parts, that is focus, vertex, equation directrix, etc. etc. everything. For this, we will proceed in this way. Using y square and 2y, we have to make a square. Y square plus 2 into y into 1 plus 1 square. Then I can write 4x minus 12 equals 0. This will be y plus 1 whole square equals to minus 4 into x minus 3. Now, let y plus 1 equal to dy and x minus 3 equals to bx. Then it becomes by square minus 4 into 1 into bx. Now what type of parabola is this? This type of parabola. Spread on left side of y-axis. Here we have to shift the origin. We know this because in the beginning classes of coordinate geometry I have discussed how to shift the origin without changing the direction of axis, that is keeping the axis parallel to the coordinate axis. Okay. So now suppose first find vertex. Coordinates of the vertex with respect to px by system is 0, 0. That is bx equals 0 and by equals 0. That is, what is bx? Bx is x minus 3, x minus 3 equals 0, and what is by? This is small y plus 1 equals 0, that is x equals to 3 and y equals to minus 1. So finally we get, therefore, coordinates of vertex with respect to small x small y system, that is the original system, are 3, minus 1. So that we get original vertex 3, minus 1. Next, let us suppose equation to axis. Look, what is axis here? This is. So, equation to axis is y equals 0. By equals 0. That is, what is by? Small y plus 1 equals 0. This is axis to the original system. So, equation to axis is y plus 1 equals 0. Next, let us find focus, coordinates of focus. coordinates of focus with respect to big X big Y system. This side, that is minus a comma 0, that is minus 1 comma 0, that will be minus 1 comma 0, that is what is minus 1, that is big X equals to minus 1 and big Y equals 0, that is what is big X is x minus 3, this is minus 1 and small y plus 1 equals 0, that is x equals to 2, y equals to minus 1. So coordinates of focus is 2 comma minus 1, 2 comma minus 1. Next, length of lateral septum. We have seen in the table form that in each case length of lateral septum is 40 units. Here A is 1, or you may consider minus 1. So that's why I have written there 4 mod A units. So length of lateral septum unit, that is 4 units. So we get length of lateral septum, that is L dash is 4 units. Next, directrix. Equation to directrix. Directrix is here, you know, directrix will be x minus a equals 0. So equation to directrix with respect to big X big Y system is big X minus 1 equals 0. What is big X? X minus 3, that is x minus 4 equals 0. This will be equation to the directrix. Okay. This is the anatomy type problem, that is, he will be provided with an equation of a parabola and you are asked to find its different curves. Suppose, let us consider the equation of projection, the projectile, sorry. So then, the equation of the parabola will be given in parametric form like this. X equals to u cos alpha into t. U cos alpha is the horizontal component of velocity with which the particle is projected. This into t, and y is equals to u sin alpha t. This is vertical projection of velocity. U sin alpha into t minus half dt square. Now suppose you are asked to find the vertex, focus, axis, length of lateral septum, directrix of the parabola of projectile. Then how do you proceed? First, you have to find the equation of the parabola first. How do you get this? Parameter is alpha here, so you have to eliminate alpha. From this you get cos alpha is equals to x by ut. From this you get sin alpha is equals to y plus half dt square by ut. Now we know for all real values of alpha, sin square alpha plus cos square alpha equals to 1. That gives 1 by u square t square y plus half dt square its whole square plus cos square alpha, that is x square in a t. From this t is x by u cos alpha. Now eliminating t between these two, we get y equals to u sin alpha into x by u cos alpha minus half g t square, that is x square by u square cos square alpha. Now this will be y equals to x tan alpha minus g by 2 u square cos square alpha into x square. Now we get 2u square cos square alpha by g into y is equals to 2u square cos square alpha by g into x tan alpha minus x square. Then we have x square minus sin alpha by cos alpha. So u square by g sin 2 alpha, u square by g sin 2 alpha into x is equals to minus 2u square by g cos square alpha into y. Next, x square minus 2 into x into u square sin 2 alpha by 2g plus e to the power 4 sin square 2 alpha by 4g square is equals to minus 2u square by g cos square alpha into y plus e to the power 4 sin square 2 alpha by 4g square. Now we have x minus sin square 2 alpha by 2g its whole square, and here we get minus 2u square by g cos square alpha common, so y minus this is 4 sin square alpha cos square alpha 2 u square cos square alpha being taken, so here remains sin square alpha by g is taken, so here it will be 4g. We can write it even as x minus u square sin 2 alpha by 2g whole square. Here it is minus 2u square g cos square alpha y minus u square sin square alpha by 2g. Okay. Now I am writing its different parts. Now the detailed process I have shown you. You have to consider this as big X, this as big Y. From that I am writing the details. Vertex is 0 0, that is big X equals 0, big Y equals 0. So you finally get vertex will be u square sin 2 alpha by 2g comma u square sin square alpha by 2g. This is vertex. After the vertex, focus will be calculated as minus 4 by minus a comma 0. So a will be minus 4 into u square by 2g. This is a. U square by 2g cos square alpha into this one. This is a. So after calculation you will get the focus as u square sin 2 alpha by 2g comma minus u square cos 2 alpha by 2g. Axis, equation to axis. Equation to axis will be x equals to u square sin 2 alpha by 2g, and length of that rectum L dash, that will be 4 times this, that is 2 u square cos square alpha by g. This image. So in this way you can find different parts of a given parabola. Okay. So now I am having a short break. After the break I am coming with more problems. Till then be there.